What's up, guys? Welcome to our 12th unboxing video. That's right, it's another SpongeBob item this time, and today is a cool one. So, let me show you what it is. Boom! That's right, today we're unboxing the Burping SpongeBob SquarePants board game. I got it at the Valley Fair Mall, and it looks really cool. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's go over the box, and we'll take it out. Okay, so here's the box. It shows a shape of a pineapple right here. And it says ages 6 and up, I think. Yeah, ages 6 and up. And it's it's two players. So if you have a friend or something, you can play this. And it shows the Nickelodeon logo right there. And it says Burping SpongeBob SquarePants game. And it says it's from the makers of Stinky Pig. Never heard of that. And it's pass 'em fast, it's a gas. It's not a farting game, it's a burping game. Alright, here's the back, and it shows you how it works, and all that stuff. So, yeah. Alright, let me read you the bio. Push SpongeBob SquarePants' belly or chin to hear a fun tropical tune. Then roll the die to see which way to pass him. But hurry before he burps. If you're holding SpongeBob when he lets one loose, you must take a token. The player with the fewest tokens wins. Oh, okay. And it's made by Play Monster. Yeah. So, alright guys, so let's take it out. Alright. The other one. And coming up after this is another SpongeBob item, and it's Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated for the Nintendo Switch. It's coming 2 days, so I'm so excited to get it. I do have enough to get it, so I'm super hyped for it, and hopefully I go manage to do it, and yeah. So stay tuned for the unboxing of that. It's going to be really cool. Alright guys, so here's SpongeBob himself. And he's so squishy. Let's put him right there. And it comes with a few more accessories. Let's take him out. Alright. Alright, anyways guys, so let's show you SpongeBob. So here's SpongeBob, and his face is all, his cheeks are red because he accidentally burped. So, whoop, stand up, SpongeBob. Alright. So, let's get the other stuff out. Come on out, you. Oh, there we go. Alright. There we go. Alright. So, let's take this part out. And let's show you some of the parts. Alright, it comes with some tokens right here. Like a whole bunch. Alright, so here's the die right here. It says left. This one says right. And left again. And it shows a jellyfish. That's really cool. And here's a bunch of tokens right here. So firstly, it comes with some light blue flowers. Then we have some light purple flowers or pink flowers, whatever you want to call it. And some yellow flowers. So, let's test them out. So he sounds exactly the same. That's really cool. Oh, I lost. Alright. Let's play this. Alright. So, right. Left. Right. Oh, dang, he's gross. Alright. Wow, so this game is really cool. Alright, so... Alright, let's get everything back in the box. I know you had to see that, but... You know, it's mostly a collector's item, so... Alright, so what we're going to do is... Okay, so then we're... Alright, so So yeah, that game is really cool. If you're a SpongeBob fan just like me, go ahead and get this. It's really fun. And so stay tuned for more unboxings of Sonic the Hedgehog, SpongeBob SquarePants, and Hot Wheels character cars. You hear that, guys? I am still unboxing Hot Wheels character cars after I was mad about the whole character cars being canceled thing. So I know some of you like that series, but it's never coming back because I'm done. It's stupid. And yeah. Go ahead. Oh man, I don't think it's going back in. Uh-oh. Yeah. Alright, so let's see. Hang on, SpongeBob. We'll get you in there. Is this supposed to go that way? Uh-oh. Okay, I have an idea. Come on. Come on. You've been in there before. Oh boy. It's gonna be... hold on. I think I got it. Come on. Uh-oh. That part right there. Oh, there we go. Got it. Alright. So I guess we can put SpongeBob in here now. Alright, then we're going to put his little thing right here. I think it goes on the top. Alright. Oh man, this paper... I think it's like that. Wait, no, I think I had it. Hold on. Upside down. No? Oh my gosh. Guys, I forgot how it went. Hold on, I think it's like this. There we go. Anyways, so let's tape out here because they're wedged in there. Don't know why they are. Alright guys, we got them in there. Alright, so yeah guys, this is the unboxing of the Burping SpongeBob SquarePants board game. I thought it was pretty fun, honestly. So, if you're a SpongeBob fan, go ahead and pick this up. It's really cool. And before we end the video, let's play his tropical music. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching this unboxing, and coming up is the SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated on the Nintendo Switch. I'm going to do a hunt for it at the same time. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for more of my videos. And so yeah. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for the unboxing of more items from Sonic the Hedgehog, SpongeBob SquarePants, and Hot Wheels character cars. And thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.